Cheers. There you go. Let me taste it. Oh gosh, this is the bomb. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a carrot starfruit juice. Alright, so I have in this bowl three large carrots, and I have some slices of starfruit. You know what it looks like already from my previous video. It's shaped like a star. Right, they were frozen, so I'm gonna get started. And I have my water, I have some ginger, I have my blender, agave that I'm gonna use to sweeten. Alright, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Then I'm gonna add some water, which is this amount. Guys, I also added 3 tablespoons of agave. So I'm gonna blend now, guys. Pour. And there I have it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna strain it first, and you know the drill. This aside. You can also use your hands. I'm gonna get rid of this now, guys. And there I have it, guys, all done. I'm gonna glass this now. I'm gonna glass it. Alright, I have in my glass some cube ice because I want it really cool and refreshing. So here you go. Yummy, yummy, guys, yummy. Cheers. There you go. Let me taste it. Oh gosh, this is the bomb. Oh, so refreshing, guys. It's the bomb. So go ahead, guys, and try my new video. You will like it. It's carrot and starfruit juice. You will love it. The children will love it. All natural, good for you, and the family, full of packed with vitamin C. So go ahead and try it, guys. Go ahead and check it out. You will love it. Alright, remember to like my video, share it to their friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this delicious, refreshing juice. Okay, guys, go right ahead and try it. You will love it. Alright, so until next time, see you in my next video. Bye. My carrot starfruit juice. Lovely. The bomb. Try it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.